Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be introducing a new car to the channel, the Q50 Red Sport. It's a 2017, and we're going to be installing the ART catback exhaust on this bad boy. So we're going to go ahead and give you guys some before and after clips, and then we'll get on with the install, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let us know what you guys think about the sound. Sheesh. This boy thinks he's at a takeover. He's over here burning out. Alright guys, so here's a little before.
But I didn't have my fucking key.
Where is it? Alright, here's your before clip. As you can tell, it just sounds stock. Can't really hear anything. Bro, it hasn't even been 5 minutes and my dog's already peed on his tires. You gotta make sure you rinse off any pee from any type of animal, because it'll start peeling your rim and you don't want that shit, mate. My bad, coachy. Alright guys, check it out, the ART Performance exhaust. Shout out to OMO for getting Coachy a good price on it.
Look at that shit.
Yeah, the quality's nice.
Oh,
look at the welds.
You're nice.
For real? No wonder it's so expensive. Look at that. Beautiful.
Nice. Look at the fucking tip, man.
Damn, look at the details.
Yeah, this is the size of my log.
What? Look at it. It's heavy duty.
Feel the thickness from the inside.
Oh shit! Yo, I didn't think this shit was gonna be that thick.
That's why it's so expensive. It's good ass quality. Oh, it's a little Scarface. This guy's dumb. Let me see. Show us a quick scope. Do a YY. Do a YY. Hey, you can't use those on CDL. Huh?
Hey, we're ready to play the zombies, bro. Ready for the zombies, bro. Ready for the zombies. Watch out for us. We're back into the World at War days.
Oh, I know.
Look, it has the handle.
Hey, that shit was OP on World at War.
Wait, don't take that off yet.
I miss World at War zombies.
Me too.
That was the best.
Good old days.
Damn.
But yeah, guys, anyways, this is the ARC exhaust. Then when you put on like your BOV and all your other mods, it's gonna sound even nicer. Imagine.
What is? Oh, this is the white. Why do they call it a white pipe?
Just kidding. Wait. Let me see a little. This guy really said, why do they call it a white pipe?
Just kidding.
Bro, look at that. There's old and the new. Look at the little tiny flex pipes. The new one looks way better.
That only matters on the tip. Yeah, what? You're the one that stressed out. Oh, look!
Let's go, guys. 5 hours later, couple bruised knuckles, couple cut up elbows, but it's almost on finally. We mainly had trouble getting on the middle part right here,
The white pipe.
right here on the white pipe, right after the flex pipes. Let me see, you guys can see that? There's 2 bolts on each side. And then over there on that side as well. So what was happening was we were getting one side in, and the bolts would fit through, but then the other side wouldn't line up. So we took probably like an hour just trying to get both of them to line up on both sides. But yeah, other than that, the rest wasn't that bad.
The rest went smooth.
Yeah, it was just at the front of the white pipe. But other than that, good to go. Should be on in about 10 minutes. Let's start this bad boy up.
Oh, that shit was like big.
I know.
That's the flex part.
Bro, you guys are almost as dirty as the Q. Huh?
Look at my hair.
Look at that.
I'm fucking.
See?
It's so hard.
See how crunchy it is.
Look how close they were.
Yo, that's just crunchy. Look, listen.
Wanna start, coach?
Alright guys, the exhaust is on. We're gonna go ahead and do a little cold start for you guys. I'm gonna show you how it sounds. Beautiful, boy. You like it, Mama? Mama, you like the sound? Yeah. Alright, give us some revs. Give us some revs. Sounds nice. Let me know down below. Do you guys like the sound? Leave a like if you do.
It sounds way different when you're outside than inside. Alright, let me lower it.
That just sounds nice.
We need to hear like a drive-by.
I know. Alright guys, we're gonna go do a little couple test runs. Coach, oh my god, it's gonna kill my dog. Huh? Let me see, give it a rev. Let me know down below, guys. What do you guys think? Sounds nice. It sounds nice from the outside. Yeah. Sounds aggressive. So good.
Like soundproof basically.
Yeah. Okay. For the exhaust only.
Mommy. Yo. I almost spun out right
She has power, huh? Alright guys, Kobe's test driving it so that Coach can hear how it sounds from the outside. Yeah, bro, this shit pulls. This shit pulls. I'll still get the fuck out of huh? Just kidding, Coach. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the sound clips. Let me know down below what you think about the exhaust. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna be installing the HKS blow-off valve on the Q50, so stay tuned for that. And make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below. And thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. One more thing before we sign out. A lot of you have been asking for Mustang videos. I'm going to be ordering some parts soon, so I'll show you guys that as well. But yeah, stay tuned for more Q50 content, more Mustang content, and yeah, you guys just subscribe, stay tuned for future content. And again, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot. Thank you guys, and see you on the next video. Peace out, everybody.
Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't never seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up.